Let us now take the help of ChatGPT to establish your character. Well, ChatGPT can help you articulate your backstory, define your personality traits, and outline core content topics. Let's see how. So, an example for the backstory. ChatGPT can help you craft a compelling backstory to humanize your brand and connect with your audience. So the prompt that I would give to ChatGPT could be something like this. I transitioned from being a finance professional to running a tech recruitment agency. How can I tell this story in a compelling way for LinkedIn? The ChatGPT's possible responses could be, you can share your backstory like this. I started my career in finance where I learned the importance of detail-oriented processes and strategic decision making. But my real passion lay in technology and helping companies find the right talent. Transitioning to recruitment was not easy, but by leveraging AI tools, I was able to scale my agency and help countless startups find their dream teams. Today, I combine my financial expertise and my love for technology to help companies unlock the full potential of their recruitment process. Personality trait example, you can use ChatGPT to identify and reinforce the personality traits you want to display through your content. The prompt, so I want to be seen as a knowledgeable yet approachable expert in AI recruitment. Can you help me define my personality traits and how to reflect them in my LinkedIn posts? So you can highlight these personality traits. Knowledgeable, you share actionable insights with data or case studies on how AI can transform recruitment. You become approachable, use a conversational tone in your posts, making complex topics simple and easy to understand. And you're innovative, you frequently discuss cutting edge AI trends and how you are applying them in real life scenarios. Now, these traits will come across when you mix valuable content with a friendly tone and cutting edge insights. Now, let's look at some of the examples of the core topics. GPT can help you define the key areas where your content will focus. The prompt that we would give to ChatGPT could be, what are the core topics I should focus on to build a strong presence on LinkedIn in the recruitment industry? The ChatGPT's possible responses could be, to build a strong presence, focus on AI and automation in recruitment, how these technologies are reshaping the industry, recruitment strategies, tips and tricks for sourcing, screening, and hiring, growth and scaling for recruitment agencies, how to expand and automate recruitment processes, industry trends, latest updates in HR tech, talent acquisition, and workplace diversity. So, consistently creating content around these topics will establish you as a go-to expert in automation and technology. So, to conclude or to summarize, using ChatGPT, you can define and refine your niche while establishing your character in a structured and actionable way. By leveraging AI, you're not only able to craft a targeted content strategy, but also consistently communicate the traits and backstory that makes you unique on LinkedIn. Each approach, from niche to character development, is made more accessible by ChatGPT's ability to generate insights, content ideas, and professional tone adjustments. So this positions you effectively whether you are targeting junior professionals, peers, or even senior executives, all while ensuring your personal story shines through. Hope this helps. So do you have any questions on this? Feel free to ask me in the Q&A section and I will be happy